Malaypi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta ke sini Shillong, hakanam ke khol, play ke yeng kharlindo e ke skul duna bormet bor jabien. Kem ki BSF sawut ki Bangladeshi lamlenti da ubril na India. Kular udisi nadu shi tarik jayong infantry kamha e ka Rambrai block. Ban Keli uba Bright Starwell halor kajaka sorka hamau khan. Bat mentai ni apai ciki Khubor ki bakambania. Hakanam ke kerteng juga khon balaklat no. Seng kalong yeng jung uba FK nongrum barka kong ji karlungdo ya ka skul bakerpang NAKA benta ki khna ki badon jingduna haka bormet bat bor jabi hati saw nongston. Ya kene ka skul bakerpang lajer kerteng Brenda's Playing Garden and Early Intervention Center. Ban pensana me ka khon kentei marwe ka balaklat no. Late Ornella Brenda Karlindo. Uba FK nongrum bat ka kong ji Karlindo kilayo i ya kijing e ju kilong yeng long sem ki badon ki khon ki kti ki baduna ka bormet bat ka bor jabing bamdon ka jaka hikai bakerpang NAKA benta kum kini ki khlung. Kilarai ban sedang no da ka skul bakerpang NAKA benta jungki hanongstoin. Ya kini ke skul bakerpang lapli ka khalai tarik LBER da Reverend B Ramsey u missionary ka khasi jantia Presbyterian Synod u batrei menta hakat Mandu Nepal. Hagani ka sngi pli pat ba ya kini ke skul ladon lang u Dr. R Marwen dbmnHU ba D Shabong DCPO West Khasi Hills Reverend LH Nongsi teman basan CL1 Shong u balapan ya ka jingelang kakong Delphi Lingdo Special Educator na Mary Rice Center usordar tisau ba M Dekar uba Adoni Karlindo berkakong Berilin Jerwa ki badai kino hikai hakani ka skul ki kimi ki pa ki long kume bat long pa na kani ka shnong hakani ka jingalang pli u kongsan Reverend B Ramsey ulaong la pli akani ka shlam hakalung khu sngi kha jong Late Ornella Brenda Karlindo bat hakani ka sngi day ban jaw umat hendrei day ban kemen namar hakani ka sngi lami uso bat kani ka day ka Jylla ju ki bahayeng ban pli ya kani ka shlam hikai bala ainam haka khon bala khlat no hakani ka sngi na kalyang uba Adoni Karlindo u khon jong kani ka yeng bat upara jong Late Ornella Brenda ula batayro halor ka rukom ai jing shakri hakani ka shlam ki bakun thup ya ki jingele kai Playing Garden bat kilat jing Sumar Intervention Center ya ki khna ki bawan shahikai hagani ka school.
There's Play Garden hapo jong ka snong ka jong phe. Sa ko ngak mau yela de. Aga bor bo tra shim no ikun jongi ikun ngkong. Angang ilok jongari kun khado kini cancer patient pa DSP temo de bedridden. Lecturer for Martin Luther Christian University. Let but nga forward for A for apple, B for ball. Hikai ki kena master degree mana let but nga bani hikai kena A for apple, B for ball. Sounds so weird manong. Higher calling ko jong ublay ukot yangi. Hakapor po ublay shimnoy kun jongi ki paramoy kirang mod babalajit and Susan try lakot. That's the end. They pine o Shillong try kinong. Kasi pouring itang RTO. Iwan biang sesong ko mapi recharge ng mobile on down battery ngiro fully recharge. Abang isa test oblay ngilay biang tang RTO down Shillong, lay biang sa Nepal ban serve kambayo oblay. Bangay ngo yo oblay kimi kiso jong jing sakri ko jongi. Ngim simply school haga kerteng jay khoni piniteng ikot lang kedam yang God has taken. Ikut jongi keteng I akazia Hakabastang akazia ka bamur ka jing sha ka dai consecrated to God. Hakasi baya bikun jung English browse kai ya ka kerteng sen. Kami mandawi ka jing mut wang God has taken. Ka ba pla bala da ong bangitip no bastang ginam name ya ka kerteng ya kun jing God has taken. Ngishu name la ka God aka ya ka kerteng kun God has taken yang a little missionary ngai kerteng. How try day ya ka jing mut jong me on scam. Pentelun yaki kam kejong piau try. Commit to the Lord whatever you do. Nang tanga kau kentu ya adani bekamjo I Berlin, but kamjo ka family berakawai. Never give up. Kendan kipor berpincak tan telai sedian. Kendan kipor kipan penduk mensemi kipan teum pejak ipi kendan kipor. Kendan kipor besok kengok musuh lak biang tan kene. Yai saprang. Nganganam dan berpi hasenda, kabalan kerum dan hasenda yang piman kipor, ka family kerum dan berpi 24/7 tanggo tetep dan syukur kipan back up ipi kecing doai. Ublay ubala khot ya pi ban sedang ya kene udai ju ublay ban yalam ya pi ha do ka bakut jong jem jong pi sla jong ke portai wat ka jem jong pi kan kut hawe ke ski kan ikan ya chaprang ke sadan ke ban continue ya kan ke ministry ke potrai lo keren ba la kentu ya pi ba pin sedang nyam dan shibon ban keren masong tang kan ne ai ba ublay yalam ya pi step by step with God by faith wadam do men sem Wanam do jengkerman, kendang orang lepai pi kendan kipor nama kan ke school kamdai ke besok man sedang ya kan ke early intervention care kamdai ke besok ngah thok kan doi kipor sana nganam batai start manga ngangai pila sempang panyangi kai ke boble
Ki pulit yada Khubor Border Security Force ki ba apketem ha South Garo Hills District kila yo kem sangut ki breu na Bangladesh ki ba thumu bandrong tu Shari India. Yakini ki Bangladeshi la layalam lenti de we ubriu ke India. Ki BSF ki layo obat ya ka we ka kali winger ka bakit yakini ki briu ki balawan na Bangladesh. Habala toket ye unongnya abat yakini saungut ki briu layo jing tip ka batikna bagi dei ki briu na Bangladesh ki ba utu unongnya upenrung Shari India batmu ban penpoi syatura bat Assam. Ki BSF ki lakem ya kata ka kali ya ki briu na Bangladesh bat ya unongnya. La iti ya kini ki brio barok sangut ya ka kali bat ya ki tiar kitar barok syaki pulit ke Bakmara Police Station ban pendep ya ki jing toket katkum ki kendonan. Ki dekot ke Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People FKJGP Ramrai Circle. Haka jing yalam jong uba Starlan Lingkoi haka khat lai tarik LBER ki laya kendu ya UDC West Khasi Hills ba Garrett LSN Dykes ba la airu daga jing tho ahlor ki babun ki jing duna ba Ramrai CNAD block kampat la bantre kampura. Kinong yalam ke FKJGP Ramrai Circle kila penlong ya ka jinglet jurip ya ka te ka office trekam jo ka block ha kini ki khendiat sngi balala bat ha ka te ka jing jurip lalap ba ka te ka office kam Samla don ya UBDO nalor kita kinong treru amdon watang weiru u president ke FKJGP habaya kren syakila pathai Khubor hadin balaya kendo ya UDC ulaong ba ka long ka pasngau tenat bantip na UDC ba ka te ka office Ramrai block kan sedang terekam bahana du ke shitarik uyayong watla kandang day tang da ka office shipor. Hakabaya day baka jingbam don kinong tray na kalyang jong DC harengkat ka jingya don lang u BDO in charge ya ka tega block kila ong ba kinong tray kila don bat kidang don haka training menta. Hakabaya day bat ka jaka la ne ka site panchna ya ka office papura jong ka block UDC uraya thu ba Lajit lai tili hijaka haka than Ramrai haka bala paru syaka sorkar bakan le ya kabadon kam. Kumta na kalyang kinong yalam ka FKJGP kindang yai beteng ban bud din na kabanta ka baha kamiat jong kipad ba ka than Ramrai.
Ramrai Circle hadin bangla lagi negi CCRC kan ban inspect ya ka Ramrai sin at the block. Tenta kasi layo wan bu kajing to kum ka memorandum ban kepat il Deputy Commissioner Khuborjylla jang district ban pendiang kita gijing duna te kalong ka ege baso tenat ban ni ai play sibon eu DC jang West Khasi Hill district lo ai kita ka asuran ba menta ya ka Ramrai sinar di block wat la tempat day permanent dai la kmi lenti ba ka siterik sejrong jang benai April nomor menta kita don kinong krai tambah kidang haban ai training tang layo ru bane kentu ya isar iling do I udai I in chat sipor na utakan ka Ramrai sinar di block ba comment scam ba kejing ayang nut jong kipaj ba bakan urlong ban nakaliang jong ka sang ru ngimkut tang hangtan rei ngin yai budin tat haduk ban dayu I lagi jong kikmat ba katei ka Ramrai sinar di block kanda urlong Kumbor ruang lem kiwe ki blok hapok jangka district ba UDC ula ai ke jingkular ba kandon ru ka sanbot nomor haduk menta nim UI ya ka sanbut hakate ka blok abang ilek wat la kadang dei tang ka yingwai te habede bat kijaka EDC long belapa ban le inspect hagilai tli kijaka bat menta EDC imkwa ban chu bisa rang ne rei lapha saga government ban jit kawai ni tak
Usembut Menteri Rangba abasnya bahalang dhar ula pentip baka sorkar kampak donjing temu ban le AA ni penkelai European Ward. Namar hadu menta ke sorkar kadang penkre ya ka master plan na ke benta ke jaka sorkar hamau khanu. Ya kini usembut Menteri Rangba ula jubab halor ke jingkili balawan ra ada UMLA ke maulai ba Bright Sarwell Malbanyang haying dorbar. Hakajuk Khubor halor ke jingkili bawan ra ada uba Arden Miller basayomoy. Nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong. Kasorkar kalong kabakloy banlet jurip lang yakate kajaka.
Thank you for the opportunity. Sir, we are aware that the government is developing the new secretariat with all the directorates at Sauli. My purpose of asking the question on distance is that if proper roads are made and developed from Sauli to Maukhanu, then the distance will perhaps be further reduced and not far. So my question is whether the government has thought of allotting land to district or other offices in the government land at Maukhanu, and if so, how many have approached the department so far? I would also like to know the method of assessment of land required by any office.
Mr. Speaker, sir, presently we haven't decided to allot to any department, but yes, we plan as government and decision will be taken in the right times.
So my next supplementary is like this, sir. The land at Maukhanu is around 800 acres or so, which translate to roughly around 3 square kilometer, which is bigger than the European ward. Therefore, sir, I would like a categorical reply, yes or no, from the Honorable Minister, whether it will be converted into another European ward or RR colony in Rinja or like other revenue plots, since we have heard yesterday from the press that the KSU was referring to a transfer of land or lease to non-tribals, where the land is now protected by blue tin sheets, which I now urge the government to quickly check and withdraw any such transfer or lease of land. Another vital issue is that the Honorable Minister may kindly reply whether the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act will apply or not, that no transfer of land by any means shall be made to a non-tribal or non-tribal entity, be it an individual or company or of any composition or by way of lease like the IAS colony at Sauli.
You're asking two questions at a time.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now there is no such plan because the master plan is still preparing. Only then we will take a call at the right times and the right decision. As of now, no plan to give to anybody, and no plan to convert also into European presently. That is for the respective question.
Yes.
Another supplementary question, sir. My final supplementary question, Speaker, sir, is that I urge and prevail upon the Honorable Minister that in light of the negative reply to C, and my suggestion to the government is that since the government land at Maukhanu is around 800 acres, so I would like to request
Menteri Kekot Kekia Kong Ampri Lingdo Kalayathu balakentiu kerdan yaka Manakre Health Subcenter syaka kerdan PHC bat kijing tray menta kilayat syakman. Kakong amprin kala aya kani kajubab halor ka jingkili balawan ra da UMLA na da dengre rupa marak. Kakong amprin kala pentip ru tang syudep ka jingtay katenatkan sapet nagabantaban penbiang yakinong tre hakate ka PHC.
Whether the department has upgraded the Mangakri sub-center into our public health center, yet the reply was yes, but still there is another reply, upgradation of Mangakri sub-center into a public health center is in progress. So I'm a bit confused in this reply. May I know the clarity of the reply?
So decisions to upgrade the sub-center to a PHC is definitely yes. Whether or not the work is in progress, we've said yes. So the works are in progress, decision has already been taken.
Thank you for the reply. I was a bit confused because I wasn't asking about the work progress and all. Anyway, may I know from the Minister in charge, when was this Mangakri sub-center was upgraded into public health center?
The foundation stone of this upgradation occurred on the 9th of December 2022. By the 18th of January 2023, we were able to float a tender. By November 2023, works began. And at January 2025, the progress of work is at 85%.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, as per the government norms, does a PHC has a medical officer?
Sir, works in the upgradation are ongoing. Once the building has completed, necessary HR will be sent to man this very important PHC, sir.
May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, in view of the reply, the last reply, since this upgradation has already been done as per the reply, so, but in view of the last reply, does it mean that Mangakri has no medical officer as of now?
As of now, the center is still functioning as a sub-center.
Last question, please.
So, I won't have the further question. I would like to request the Honorable Minister in charge to speed up the process of upgradation Mangakri Public Health Center, sub-center into PHC. Thank you.
Point noted, sir.
Kajing yatai halor kajing pentre ya kasurok Western Shillong bypass bat kajing siu ya kabai jaka syakitrai jaka kalane Islam ha haka kenta jing keli hapo yeng dorbar thau an ke Jylla. Haba jubab halor ki jing keli usumbut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong ulaong kakam kalaya chakmat bat kasorkar kala pelat ya kabai jaka syakitrai jaka lengba ki Deputy Commissioner Jongkari Bhoi District bat kumjuru na East Khasi Hills District.
Particular clause is not there. Social impact assessment was not there. Why it was not there, sir? In fact, for the clarification, I would like to mention here, it was not there because all the national highway is treated as existing road. When it is treated as existing road, it is not a greenfield project, it is an existing road. So therefore, what we need is only the additional land. Suppose now if we have to widen, we have to convert it into 2 lanes or we have to convert it into 4 lanes depending upon the requirement, the plan of the ministry. So the NH Act applies in those national highway designated projects only, sir. And that, as I've said, yes, social impact assessment was not there, sir. But in spite of that, if there is no provision of social impact assessment, still the landowners who falls in that portion where the land is required to be acquired, this even in the NH Act is taken care of all these issues as far as the landowners is concerned. So in conclusion, sir, I would like to explain here that as far as the land compensation of the Western Bypass is concerned, we don't have much issues. There is no issue where the landowners brought to the notice of the government or the district collector that I will not part the land because the rate is so and so, or because you did not calculate the building or the crops or whatever we have in that particular size. Because all these issues, as I said to you, sir, it has been already taken care of. And I really appreciate the DC revenue of both the district. They were on the ground, always they were on the ground along with the stakeholders to find out solution to this. And as of now, sir, there is not much problem on this particular.
Karashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram Meghalaya Hakakat Arterik LBER kala rakhe ka jing dap shi post nam ka jing job jongka jingya denti nagabanta ban shakri bat penbyang ya ka kwat ka khya ki khna ki bahapo khat pras nam karta haka jingya lang bala penlong ha GHM guest house Jowai ladan lang haka ni ka jingya lang to uba F Pasa Assistant Commissioner Jowai Kumukongsan ka Dr. P. Shilla, District Medical and Health Officer Jowai, ka Dr. Helen Yuria, DMCHO, Dr. A.E. Paswet, Pediatrician, Dr. Jylla, MO, DEIC, ki Dr. ki Dekot ka Kunhun Mobile Health Team, ka Kunhun District Early Intervention Center, Jong Lightly ki District ka Jylla, bakun thup ya ka West Jaintia Hills, East Jaintia Hills, bat Ribhoy District. Uba F Pasa Assistant Commissioner Habakran Kumukongsan, ula ay ka jing ro ya kanika kunhun halor ki kam bakalale. Wat hapedeng bun ki jing banlap ki jing pang jing shitom ki khna, bat ru ban penbyang ya ki jing don kam bat kabha kamiat jongki. Ka Dr. I. Gadpo, State Nodal Officer RBSK, kapan pau ka jing sngaw sarong ya ki shipau tili ki snam baka RBSK kalaya lenti na do snam arjar khatlai da ka jingo I jingai ka sorkar kami. Kapan pau ru ka jing sngaw hun halor ka jing job kanika program na ki khna red bat ki Samla lut. Ka ai jing ro ru ki mobile health team jong ki doctor, ki nurse, ki pharmacist bat ki asha. Kalapan pau ka jing ang nut lengba ka RBSK enla ban pentikna ya ka kwat ka khya jong ki khna hakkeleng saudong ka Meghalaya.
This program, you have been able to, avoid so many, life-changing, threatening diseases or maybe life-threatening events in regard to the child. And more so when you concentrate on the 4Ds. The 4Ds are very important, and also that the mobile unit that you have, the mobile units actually, I felt like it's very important. And even though that the road connectivity is not so smooth, we'll find, especially I think in parts of East Jaintia Hills, if you take from Sutanga stretch onwards and also down to Ratachera, I can understand because maybe all of you in the field, you may not be available with the government facilities like cars and this and that. You'll have to manage on your own. So I understand it's all the seeing from that perspective. We can understand that the effort that you put because you may have to use your own vehicle probably. I don't know, maybe or maybe not. But it's kind of challenging from my point because there have been so much have been discussed and also been shared by the state nodal officer. From our end, we as a district administration, we call upon you guys. We know that you're doing very hard in your job and in the field. And we call upon you guys to upkeep or maybe to do better than what you have done. We know that you can do better, so we have a lot of room for improvement. And also I think your feedback from the fields are very important. I feel like as far as the implementation and of the program, because like what I said later. Every field requires a different specialization, special treatment, a different treatment. And also, as a part of the district mission, I also welcome the team from East Jaintia and also from Ribhoy district. some of you might be your first time here today. So like I've been told that next year it will be probably happen in Khasinews, right? Yeah. So I think so that you guys are doing a good job, and going by the fact that because this is a special program, I even actually don't know that this program it's actually the program that actually aims for the overall improvement of quality life of the children. All this while I thought it's like a kind of a different thing, but it's just that I got to know the moment I received information, I checked from the net, and I have to appear here, and I said, oh man, this is the program. Yeah, because I know, see, I thought it's RHM, NHM, so many things, but then I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm also glad to be here. And also, like, I want to call on the MHT, please. I don't know what's the full form of MHT, but then you guys, like what I said, you're the bridge between the community and the office. So I think you're...
Sembut Menteri Rangba abak Prestun Tensong ulaong baka sorkar kadang wat kilat ban shnano da kasurok thamai kum ka bypass na mau lengat sa mau shibut ban lat yat lengba na kaktem shipai. Uba Prestun ula ay yakane kajuba bahiyeng dorbar halor ka jingkili balawan ra da MLA ka maurin keneng ba HS Kharpran. Uba Prestun ulaong kani kasurok kanlong kum ka bypass terter na mau lengat sa mau shibut. Hakane ka jingatay la shimbentaru yaki MLA ka nongkrem bat nong thamai.
Information of the honorable member and also the members of this August House. So from the department, we are also exploring the possibility of having a new alignment completely, which will not touch the defense land at all. And one proposal, in fact, we have where we explore is the road or the bypass from Maulangat to Maushbuit, Maushbuit to Maulanray, and Maulanray to Maukasiang. So right now, sir, we are exploring. In fact, I would humbly request the honourable member from Maurankedeng constituency if he can also help us out. Because right now we are discussing, we are requesting the landowners, if they can part their land, then this bypass can be created for the interest of this entire region or the entire belt, sir.
Thank you, sir. I assure you, sir, that I will cooperate on this matter, sir. Last question, sir. I request, sir, that if the department concerned, take up this thing that to clearly demark this 600 meters route which claimed the army, sir, immediately you should clearly demarcate this 600 meters, sir.
Yes, sir, it was already properly demarcated. Demarcated in the sense that they put up a gate, entry and then exit. So the gate was falling under that 600 meters, which the land belongs to the defense land.
Yes, Barden, please.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge road, whether there is any arrangement for alignment from Madan Riting connecting to Maushabuit, since you had mentioned Maulangat to Maushabuit, Maulanray to Maushabuit. So is there any proposal to align the Madan Riting to Maushabuit? Because this is also affected, sir, and is closely connected with Maushabuit.
Sir, for that particular stretch, we are yet to see if that can be connected with Maushabuit or not. But yes, sir, points noted, and I will examine this issue too, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, Charles, please.
Yes. So I would like to ask the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, the question again raised by the Honorable MLA from Nongkrem. The main road from Madan Riting, Happy Valley, to Maushabuit, it's a road which is well used by all the residents of Maushabuit. But time and again, because of the gate that has been erected there, In the evenings after 9 o'clock, the local people...
Badak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakun, tak hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun.